What's that? Oh my God. So, yan. The views. Okay. Meron nagtinda ng
It's from the
ano,
Bible.
ice cream.
I pray on it every day.
Just saying a lot of things are involved there.
Kaya yung mga nag-ano dyan, naglaro, nag-picnic, evening picnic.
Kwadong kami, baby.
So, look at the views, guys. Very nice. And the water here. Look at that, the water. And yeah, the building. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah. Very nice. So, okay. So, ano na po mga 10 minutes ang aking paglakad papunta doon. Saka, so, merong ano na masol. Merong na masol. Saka, ganda matambay dyan. Pag earlier pa kasi limited yung time ko ngayon. Naglakad. So, sa mga supporter ko, thank you so much. So, kailangan natin maglakad-lakad, stay fit and healthy, at tulungan din natin yung ating mag-proper ang kaya natin, guys. So, hanggang sa flagpole tayo. Ayan. Yun yung flagpole. Yun, nakita nyo. Ayan. Hanggang doon. Hanggang doon tayo. Para mahaba-haba yung aking lakad. Yung aking walking. Yeah. So,
And that's it, you know.
kamay ano, itong playground bago to siya, ang ganda. So dito kami palagi magpalaro ng mga bata. So, maybe next time we'll come. It's good for lakad-lakad. It's clean. Fresh air. Having fresh air. Smell the water. Smell the river. Okay. So, maganda dito. Maglakad-lakad. Marami siya. Maraming maglakad dito. So, ano na ako? So, hanggang flagpole pala tayo. Okay? So, yung aking video hanggang flagpole. Ayan, the building, the DoubleTree building, nice trash can and nice upuan. Ayan, so meron mga ayan na building sa across sa US sa Detroit, at meron siyang cruise ship dalawa. So I think yung isa paano na yan, ongoing na yan. So very nice here to lakad-lakad. So marami kasi dito maglakad-lakad. So ayan guys, ganda ng views. So iano ko siguro to pang premiere I-primer ko to. So, ayan. So, kailangan akong magsalita para hindi masyado halata na ako nagbibideo. Para lang akong may kausap. Ayan. Ganda. Ganda, diba? So, hanggang Flagpole. Malapit na. Okay. So, yan the Caesar's Palace. The casino is outside, in the inside. Sarap maglakad.
Right now it's
So,
I've not gone through my 3-week training, but apparently once that's done, yes.
yan. Oh, ang ganda na tingnan ng mga building. At saka yung ang water. Look at guys. Very peaceful ang water. So, ayan. So, ang Flagpole pala nandoon. So, dito tayo na lang. I-cut off ko na to sa maraming flags. Different kinds of flags. So, ayan. So, Flagpole pa rin siya. Okay. So, medyo malayo pa yan. Yung malaki. So, ayan guys. Okay. So, ilang minutes na ba? Oh, it's 6 minutes already, more than 6. So, bye-bye guys. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for your support. God bless you. See you around. Bye-bye. Ayan. So, bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is Simply Jean, Cebuana, Life Canada. Thank you so much. God bless.